Good day, sir. Our activity for today is all about procedures for collecting with stains on absorbent and non-absorbent substances. First is collecting with stains on absorbent substances. All you need to do is to collect sample of the stain from the item in which it was being located. Use one or more steel or cotton swab to soak up the stain, then totally air dry the sample, and then put it in a box and sealed, and also put it on a paper bag for packaging. Next is collect control sample of the item by slightly moistening the swab with distilled water and drop area on the surface. Air dry naturally and then put it in a box and then put it on a paper bag to be subjected to proper packaging and transported to laboratory.